Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete your Esky account. But first off, oh no, Esky cannot handle the pressure of seeing you go. Oh my god. But if you want to go anyways, I'm gonna show you that's why I'm here. So head over to your Esky account. You're gonna have to learn your Esky web application, which of course I've done right here. The first thing I'm gonna do is how to get into this application in the first place. So how do you get into Esky? Launch any browser of your choice. I'm using Chrome. And then from your browser, go ahead and search for the search bar. In the search bar, type esky.com.ng. Now that's going to take you to the official website for Esky. Once you get into the website, check the top right corner of your screen. You're going to see the login option. Click on that and follow through with the processes to sign in. And once you sign in successfully, that's going to take you to this fantastic homepage, which of course you're seeing right here. Now let's hop into the dreaded how to delete Esky account. Aww. Okay, this is what you do. From this homepage, head over to the top of your screen. Now you're gonna find cheap flight, stays, cars, deals, insurance, attractions, transfers, mobile app, airlines, airports, more, and of course you're gonna find your profile name with a drop-down menu there. So click on that drop-down menu. You're gonna see an extended menu that says My Bookings, Code Travelers, Payer Details, Price Alerts, Account Settings, and Logout. Don't click on logout, because if you click on logout, that's going to take you off temporarily. But if you want to delete permanently, here's where you go. Head over to account settings and click that up, and that's going to take you to your account settings. Now right there, you're going to go to follow through with the options to delete your account. We're here in this window now, which is your account settings. So it just takes you here, right? Under here, account settings. Now you have, thank you. Now you have account settings. Here's delete your account. Click here to delete your account permanently. So click on delete. And once you click on delete, you have this banner that says, are you sure? Oh, if you delete your account, we cannot restore it. By deleting your account, you'll lose access to your travel history and discounts. Now, once you click on delete your account, right here follow the cursor, once you click on this delete account, you're going to see a banner that says account deleted successfully, meaning you have successfully deleted your account that way. Remember, you cannot restore the details or the data right there in your account, and you're going to lose your travel history and discount. Are you sure you want to do that? If you want to do that, go ahead and click on that red delete account right here showing on your screen, and your account will be successfully deleted. Go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I love Esky, so I'm not going to delete it right away. I hope this tutorial marvelously helps you search.